Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Does Congress keep its options open?
The options will open sometime or other. When the options open, it's open.
About alliance. Second thing about alliance.
Again, that is not the mandate now. Those are matters which will be discussed if necessary at the appropriate time. But at the moment, it is to get the party battle ready in all the 40 constituencies. At the moment, our task is to get 40 candidates battle ready for elections. That's the mandate given to us. We will fulfill that mandate. See, a disappointed voter, yes, when our Congress candidate crosses over, he's disappointed. But in the last 4.5 years, he's even more disappointed with the performance of the present government. He's even more disillusioned by the failure of the present government. So that voter is our natural voter this time. And we have to only assure him, as I'm assuring now, I assured a few minutes earlier, I'm assuring now, that we will present a set of candidates who are loyal, who are faithful to the ideology of the party and the policies of the party, and who will serve the best interests of the people of Goa.
At this juncture, how many seats do you expect to meet?
40?
All 40?
Yeah. And they're no more than 40, no? No, they are welcome to meet me. Anyone is welcome to meet me. I'm sure they have met with other Congress leaders, including my colleague Dinesh Kundu Rao. If anyone wants to meet me, they're most welcome to meet me. I love meeting people. In 40 constituencies, we'll have 40 commanders leading the battle.